Hey, Tommy.
Hey, Kevin, how are you?
All right, gutters and all things gutter, huh?
Yeah, gutters and downspouts. How do you get the water away from your foundation? You know, I mean, think about it. You have a gutter that's sitting on your fascia board, and you've got to get the water out. So you need an outlet in the gutter. Now, this is an outlet that comes with a little piece of gutter that you could put into it, but you can also get this separate, drill a hole in your gutter, and put one in it. And so if you have a gutter like this and you want to connect your downspout to it, most of the time, it's very rare that you're going to see where you can go straight in.
There's going to be an overhang typically, and your corner board's going to be back here.
Yeah, and some houses don't have an overhang, but that's not common. So now you have to think about, this is an A-style downspout, it's 2 pieces. It's wider on one end than the other so that one will go into it like that. You also want to make sure that you don't put it on upside down, such like this. Now you have a seam where the water can run out.
Clever.
Okay,
All right.
So you put it on the right way. You think about the overhang that you have. So this goes in, and this would be basically like an 8-inch overhang right here.
Yep.
So if you had a 12, 14, 24, whatever, you take them apart, you put this into the gutter here, this goes against the house, and you make a filler piece from a downspout
Gotcha.
to go in between, and that solves the problem.
Okay,
All right?
understood.
Now you also have to think about the style. This is an A style,
So
where the gutter would come down flat and sit on the house.
So the different
downspout.
shapes have different names?
Yep, this is an A, this is a B.
So it's sort of at 90 degrees to that.
Right, so it changes the direction of the gutter and let a downspout and let's go that way.
Yep.
And that is an AB.
Oh, I was going to go C, but I get it. Because I got the A and
Yeah.
the B together.
Exactly, so you have a transition where you can come down one way and then flip over and go the other way.
So smart.
Right, right. Now the other thing you got to think about is getting the water away from your house. It's important that you get the water away from the foundation. So this is a diverter that the downspout will sit in here.
Okay.
And now that when that water's coming down, it goes into the diverter, it gets it away about 2 or 3 feet. And this can fold up out of the way if you want to cut your grass or work in your gutter, and then
clever.
basically let it fall down.
Yep.
Now, it's important that, like I said, you want that water to be away from your foundation. 3 to 4 feet is always a good number because the water will drain into the ground here. You don't want it to drain in against your foundation, especially in New England when the ground freezes. Now you have a big chunk of ice against the foundation. That could cause problems, and you could end up getting water in your basement.
Gotcha.
And if you have a situation that's really tough, let's say you have a gutter up high and you have a crazy overhang, or maybe you got a situation where you get a fence in the way, you can take a pipe like this. This is for a larger downspout, but you could take this and go around a corner with it, bend it, or you could go at the bottom and use it as a diverter, stretch it out, and really get it into the away from the foundation.
Sound of that, right. That's
That's
a
the
good
key.
way to get water away.
Yeah, yep, absolutely.
Turn it like that.
Yeah, you have to remember that water is the enemy. You get it into your house, it's going to cause a lot of problems.
Yeah, you don't really think about the gutters too much until they stop working and the water's going where it shouldn't.
Yeah, there's a leak, and it's always too late by then.
All right, well, thank you, Tommy.
My pleasure.
Thanks for watching. This Old House has got a video for just about every home improvement project, so be sure to check out the others. And if you like what you see, click on the subscribe button. Make sure that you get our newest videos right in your feed.